This video is all about stop giving money to child beggars. It takes a special kind of heartlessness to not be moved by the sight of a child begging on the roadsides, often in sweltering heat or in some parts freezing cold. The tugs to heartstrings such children generate tempt most into giving them some money. However, according to child protection officers, you may be doing more harm than good by giving in to your spirit of charity. When it comes to child beggars, by giving them money directly, far from uplifting their lot in life, you might actually be feeding into the vicious cycle of poverty. They're just happy even when they get 1 rupee. Children are kidnapped and forced to work as beggars for organized mafia-like criminal groups.
Collection అయింది గప్చాలు కొడతాను ఏం చేస్తాడు పోయి
Child often have as much as rupees 2,500 in their pocket. This means a person who has put just 2 children on the streets in beg could make as much as rupees 1,50,000 in a month. We don't know if they are really beggars or homeless. Giving money to them will never teach them to be self-sufficient. It will encourage them to stay on the streets and beg all their life. In India, roughly 60,000 children disappear each year. They make them act like dumb and deaf. They don't even give them proper shelter. Think before giving money to them. Children are not allowed to keep their earnings or go to school, and are often starved so that they will look like crying, thereby eliciting more sympathy and donations. To prevent the children from running away, traffickers often keep kids addicted to drugs. If next time kids come and ask you money, don't give them, please.
చిన్న పిల్లలకి డబ్బు ఇవ్వకూడదు. మీ అమ్మ నాయన తోడుకోరా, నీకు బో పెడతాము, స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తాను, ఖర్చులంతా నేనే చూసుకుంటాను. ఇది మంచి పని కాదు. అలా అట్లంతా చెప్పకూడదు. నీకు కావాలంటే స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తా, ఖర్చులు నేను చూసుకుంటా, మీ అమ్మ నేను తోడుకురా, మీ నాయన అమ్మకి డబ్బులు ఇస్తాను, భోజనానికి చూసుకుంటా, స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తాను చెప్తా. సరే.
As they start at a very tender age, the only skill in life these kids end up acquiring is begging. This means their only other option apart from begging when they grow to join the criminal gangs. The only way to break this cycle is by stopping giving these kids any more money directly. If people want to do good for these children begging on the roads, they should help them obtain education, food, and other resources that can make them good human beings. The kids are the future, and we need to help promote the kids and encourage them to have a dream, have a goal, make goals. I believe that children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. No one has yet realized the wealth of sympathy, the kindness and generosity hidden in the soul of a child. The effort of every true education should be to unlock the treasure.